Decoding the Main Ideas, Mastering Synthesis in English. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on critical thinking and analysis. Today, we're focusing on a crucial skill that is an integral part of synthesizing information, identifying main ideas. We'll take you step by step through the process, sharing techniques and tips to help you become an expert at this key aspect of understanding and constructing complex English texts. First, let's get clear about what we mean by a main idea. A main idea is the primary point or concept that an author wants to communicate in a text, a speech, or any piece of communication. It's the big picture, the heart of the message. In a well-constructed piece, all the other elements like supporting details and examples should tie back to this main idea. Identifying main ideas is not just an academic exercise. It's a real-world skill that can help you better understand articles, reports, speeches, and conversations. By focusing on the main idea, you can distill the key messages, enabling more effective communication and comprehension. Remember, it's not just about understanding others. Recognizing main ideas can also improve your own speaking and writing skills. Identifying a main idea often involves following several key steps. Here's a simple way to do it. 1. Read or listen to the piece of information carefully. Give it your full attention. You need to grasp the overall content before trying to identify the main idea. 2. Look for repetition of ideas or themes. If an idea is repeated, it's often a key point the speaker or writer wants to emphasize. 3. Pay attention to the title, headings, or topic sentences. These often give away the main idea or give clues about it. 4. Summarize the text or speech in your own words. If you can condense it down to 1 or 2 sentences, you've probably found the main idea. Remember, the main idea isn't always stated explicitly. Sometimes, it's implied, and you'll need to infer it from the text or speech. And there we have it. These are the basics of identifying main ideas as part of synthesizing information. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident about diving into English texts and extracting the key ideas. Keep practicing, and remember, comprehension is a skill that gets better the more you use it. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Keep exploring the wonders of the English language with us in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.